How to turn on profile picture guard on Facebook profile. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you're in the home page, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and among these additional menus, select Settings. Now we need to utilize the search icon, so tap on that and type in profile locking. And as you can see, no information is showing here on my locked profile page. And once I click on this, my profile will not be locked. This is because Facebook profile locking is not available in most countries. These are the only countries that can access this feature. But if ever the feature is working on your end, what you need to do after clicking on the Lock My Profile icon is go to your profile page. In here, click on your profile picture and menu will show below on your screen. This is what will appear on countries without the feature, but if you have the access to Facebook locking, just click on this Turn on Profile Picture Guard, and after that, your profile picture will now be locked. So that is how to turn on Profile Picture Guard on Facebook profile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.